In this quick tutorial, I'm just going to simply show you guys how to rotate footage. I've got a few questions on this, and if you ever are working on a editing project and you've got a great shot but you want to rotate it, you're going to want to click on it and make sure that you come up to your effects control panel. If you don't see that, you can come up to window and make sure effects control is highlighted. Now I'm in my graphics window right now, but you could be in assembly, editing, or any of these. You could be in all panels, for example, and you will be able to come up and see the effects control panel, and you're simply looking for rotation. Okay, rotation is going to allow you to rotate or even out your clip. If you do that, you will see these black kind of bars that show up, so you will need to also increase the scale of your clip as well. If you rotate it a lot, if you're rotating it just a little bit, you'll only need to increase the scale a little bit. But that is how you rotate footage within Premiere Pro.